So, if you're a student in 2026, your tablet isn't just for Netflix and doodles anymore. It's your everything. Notes, online lectures, video editing, study breaks, even group calls at 2 a.m. when the project's due tomorrow. But with so many options, finding the perfect one is tricky. Don't worry, we've done the homework for you. From budget beasts to high-end monsters, here are the 7 best tablets for students in 2026. Designed to help you study smarter, create better, and maybe procrastinate just a little less. Let's get started. Lenovo Tab P12. If you want one device that can do it all without breaking the bank, the Tab P12 is a total win. Its 12.7 and 3K display makes reading PDFs or binging YouTube crisp and comfy. Despite the size, it's lightweight, around 615 grams, so it won't kill your backpack. Powered by an octa-core chip with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage, it handles study apps, Chrome tabs, and playlists with ease. The Lenovo Precision Pen 3 is buttery smooth for note-taking or sketching, while 4 JBL speakers with Dolby Atmos make lectures or music sound full. Plus, you can snap on a keyboard and switch into PC mode for essay typing. Battery life is solid too, easily lasting through long study sessions. At $380, students call it a crazy value. It's not a gaming beast, but for research, streaming, and creative work, it hits that perfect balance. Affordable, portable, and super practical. Coming today, something sleeker and faster, especially if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem. Apple iPad Air M3. The iPad Air M3 is basically the definition of effortless power. Its 11-in liquid retina display looks stunning, bright, colorful, and perfect for both study slides and Netflix breaks. Under the hood, Apple's M3 chip brings real, desktop-level speed. Whether you're editing short clips, multitasking between apps, or joining lectures, it stays smooth. You get 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, Wi-Fi 6E, and an all-day battery that actually lasts. Pair it with the Apple Pencil Pro for natural-feeling notes or the Magic Keyboard to turn it into a mini laptop. The 12-megapixel front and rear cameras make FaceTime and document scanning easy. At $600, users say it feels pro without the pro price. It's fast, lightweight, and crazy reliable, ideal for students juggling class, creativity, and life. But if you want an even bigger screen and Android freedom, the next one's a total multitasking beast. OnePlus Pad 3. The OnePlus Pad 3 takes productivity seriously. Its 13.2 and 3.4K display with 144Hz refresh rate feels insanely smooth for scrolling through slides or watching lectures. It's only 5.97 millimeters thin, sleek, durable, and backpack-friendly. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 12 GB RAM, and 256 GB storage make multitasking flawless. You can literally run 3 apps side by side with Oxygen OS 15's Open Canvas feature, perfect for research, note-taking, and music all at once. Battery life? A massive 140 mAh cell that lasts all day. An 80-watt Super VOOC fast charging tops it up in just an hour. 8 Dolby Atmos speakers deliver immersive sound for lectures or movies. At $700, it's pricier but feels premium. Basically a mini laptop without the bulk. Students love its big screen, smooth performance, and endless battery life. Up next, something rugged, stylish, and made to survive actual campus chaos. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. The Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus blends durability and smarts perfectly. Its 12.4-inch LCD display looks gorgeous for writing notes or streaming content. The IP68 rating means it's water and dust resistant. Yes, even if you spill your coffee mid-assignment. Powered by the Exynos 1380 chip with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, expandable to 1 TB, it's smooth and lag-free. The included S Pen feels natural, perfect for diagrams, annotations, or doodles during lectures. Battery life can stretch up to 20 hours, and super fast charging gets you back to full quick. Bonus features like Circle to Search and Quick Share make studying and file sharing effortless. At $700, it's praised for its premium feel, versatility, and battery stamina. For students needing a reliable all-day tablet that survives anything, this one's the MVP. But if you want a tablet that actually replaces your laptop, wait till you see the next one. Microsoft Surface Pro Copilot Plus PC. The Surface Pro Copilot Plus PC is the multitasking king. It's got a 12-inch PixelSense Flow touchscreen that's sharp and fluid, plus a 165 degrees kickstand for any setup. Under the hood, the Snapdragon X Plus processor with 16 GB RAM and 256 GB storage gives you full PC power, all in a silent, fanless body. Microsoft Copilot Plus AI tools take this thing to the next level. Recall helps find anything you've seen before, and live captions can translate lectures instantly. You can take notes with a Surface Slim pen, join team calls, or stream, all lag-free. Battery life runs up to 16 hours, and the build feels ultra-premium yet light. At $800, students call it a true hybrid between tablet and laptop. Whether you're drawing, coding, or just surviving finals week, the Surface Pro Copilot Plus makes it smoother and a bit smarter. But for those who live in the Galaxy ecosystem, this next tablet combines brains, beauty, and insane AI. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is a straight-up AI-powered workhorse. Its 12.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display looks unreal. Vivid colors, zero glare, smooth 120 Hz refresh. The Armor aluminum frame keeps it durable, yet light, and the 3.4 GHz chip with 12 GB RAM makes multitasking seamless. But here's the game changer, Galaxy AI. Note Assist automatically summarizes your lectures, Circle to Search lets you look things up instantly, and Sketch to Image turns your rough doodles into artwork. The included S Pen is super responsive, and battery life easily covers marathon study days. Quick Share moves files between Galaxy devices like magic. At $1,000, students call it a tablet that actually makes studying fun. It's futuristic, powerful, and perfectly tuned for campus life. And now we've reached the king, the tablet that outperforms everything else. Apple iPad Pro 13 in M4. The iPad Pro M4 is on another level. Its 13-inch Ultra Retina XDR display is jaw-droppingly bright, sharp, and smooth. 120 Hz ProMotion, perfect for designers, med students, or anyone who needs precision. It's ridiculously thin, 0.2-inch, and light, 1.27 pounds, yet runs Apple's M4 chip, a 10-core CPU plus GPU monster that eats through multitasking, 4K editing, or rendering like nothing. You also get 512 GB storage, Wi-Fi 6E, Face ID, and Thunderbolt 4 support. Pair it with the Apple Pencil Pro and Magic Keyboard, and it basically becomes a MacBook in disguise. Battery life lasts a full day, even under heavy use. At $1,499, it's pricey, but easily the most powerful, polished, and future-ready tablet ever built. For students chasing performance and perfection, this is the one. And that's it, the top 7 best tablets for students in 2025. From budget-friendly multitaskers to full-blown creative beasts, there's something here for every kind of learner. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive tech, it's about finding what fits your study vibe and workflow best. So, which one's your pick? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like, sub, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next lineup. Stay smart, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.